We're gonna make a roast that's delicious with a whole bunch of caramelized vegetables, gravy that's poured over top, and a centerpiece to die for. That centerpiece, of course, will be made of a head of cauliflower. Let me show you how to make this. It's so good.
Life can be a struggle, but a good meal doesn't have to be. We can make creative, nutritious, and inventive dishes that won't break the bank. We'll eat well and save money, because that's what we do. Welcome to Struggle Meals.
We flip our cauliflower over on its head. We come in with a paring knife. We're just gonna remove the stem as if we're butchering it. We remove just the perfect amount of the stem to get the woodiness out, but the cauliflower is holding its shape. Perfect. Let's make a buttery rub to put all over this to make it sing like I know it can. I'm gonna head over to the herb garden. All right, we've got thyme, we've got sage, and rosemary. Boop. Let's chop up some sage. So that's gonna come into our flavor bowl here. We're gonna put an entire stick of room temperature butter. We've got chopped garlic, onion powder, and we're gonna crush some fennel seeds. Fennel seeds going in. We're gonna hit this with a bunch of salt. We're gonna add Parmesan cheese. We can mix this up. With the back of a spoon. I'm gonna give that a pinch of salt. I'm gonna prep some vegetables for our roasting pan. I'm gonna quarter my onion, carrots, celery. We're gonna smash some garlic. Coming in with our rosemary and thyme. Gonna hit it with olive oil, salt and pepper. Cauliflower. Buttery mixture. Cauliflower really is a blank canvas for your flavor desires. I feel like I'm putting SPF 50 on ghost broccoli. Get it all over there, everywhere, everywhere. Glorious. Into our roasting pan. Nice. I've covered this in foil so it can steam for the first 30 minutes. All right, I'm gonna remove the foil. And now it can cook another hour and get brown. Whoa, it smells awesome. Cauliflower is roasted, it smells fantastic, but we're not done yet. We need to make an amazing gravy to pour over top, and it starts with our roasted vegetables. I'm just gonna grab them, and any brown bits from the bottom, little vegetable broth. We blend. We're gonna strain it out. So I'm just working the backside of a big spoon into this mesh strainer. This is what's gonna give us a super smooth gravy. So now we're gonna make a roux so that we can turn this into a gravy. We're gonna come in with equal parts flour and butter. Melting the butter, and we'll add a little bit of flour and whisk it in. Try to cook that raw flour taste out of it. Just adding a bit at a time so we don't get any clumps. And once it looks pretty smooth, we're gonna add in our pureed vegetables. Okay, this is still way too thick, so we're gonna add more vegetable broth. You wanna go a little bit at a time so it doesn't seize up. Let's have a look here. Ooh, that is good. The moment has come. Cauliflower. Still holding together beautifully. You can cut it into steaks if you'd like, but if you want 4 pieces the same size, you should cut wedges. What's left of the core will hold these wedges together. Look at that. Beautiful. Let's plate it up. Let's get some gravy on here. I'm gonna hit it with a little parsley from the herb garden. This comes in at $1.96 a serving, and I just smell butter, herbs, and vegetables. I can't wait to eat it. Let's dig in. I'm gonna take a nice piece right here. We've got a buttery, herby, parmesan-y crust all over the outside of this. I mean, it is just bringing everything that my pleasure center wants in the form of taste bud exploitation. I love that the gravy allows me to dip any part of the cauliflower into it, making every bite amazing. Once again, we've transformed a vegetable that's normally served as a side dish into a main. It's all about the presentation, and this one knocks my socks off.